Hey, Greg Spindler here. Check out this wheel. Got 32 spokes on this wheel. They all have a different tension. It's improper. So this wheel is very untrue, and the performance and efficiency of this bicycle will not be very good. It is also going to be rubbing on brakes. And some of us are going through life with brakes on. We have an untrue wheel with our body. Just like this torsion pattern of the body. We can see the shoulder goes in and down, the hip comes forward, going to the right, which creates problems down into the knee, the foot, even in the head, neck, and shoulder area. So just think about what's happening there. If it's pushing this forward and rotating this way, the sacrum has to tilt. So therefore the lumbar spine has to go in a compensation role or get stuck to where it cannot right itself up, just like that untrue wheel. So we end up being an inefficient body with movement and performance. So our goal is to create a protocol and to get rid of all this excess of untrueness to where the body can be more efficient. And when we do that, we can get more results out of our isolation work into a shoulder or into a hip or into a knee or into an ankle or foot, into the head, neck, and shoulders. So treat the pattern first, then work your isolation work, and you'll get much better results. I'll see you in class soon.